Dear veterinarian, welcome to youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. We have started a new section on question bank. In short, it is called as QE. We are now moved to the new subject gynecology in that question bank part 1. Question 1. Temperature required in artificial vagina for bulls. The answer is 42 to 46 degrees centigrade. Question 2. Abnormal condition in which persistence of corpus luteum occurs. Answer is mummification of fetus. Persistence of corpus luteum occurs in several other conditions also, but most common is this. Question 3. Name the condition in which the cow shows raised tail head and cow shows a nymphomanic symptoms. The answer is sterility hump. It is an important question. Question 4. Chemical composition of follicle stimulating hormone. Answer glycoprotein. Important question. Question 5. Name the organ that decides the quantity or volume of the semen. The answer is seminal vesicle decide the volume of the semen. Question 6. Name the spermicidal chemical or compound present in fresh milk. Answer lactanin that kills the sperm. Question 7. In which domestic animal the seminal vesicle and Cowper's gland is also called as bulbourethral gland, are absent? Answer dog. In dog, seminal vesicle and Cowper's gland are absent. Question 8. Name animal possesses T-shaped uterus. Important question. Answer is mare. Mare possesses T-shaped uterus. Important question. Question 9. Name scientist who introduced first electroejaculation in RAM. Answer. Name of scientist is Gunn in 1936. Question 10. Body part affected in white heifer disease, a genetic defect. Which part is affected? Answer. Coat color is affected. Question 11. Name the substance that results yellow color in semen of a Guernsey bull. Answer. Riboflavin. Question 12. Earliest detection of pregnancy by detection of estrone sulfate in milk or plasma of the goat? Answer: after 72 days of pregnancy. Question 13. Inhibin inhibits which hormone? Important question. Inhibin inhibits follicle stimulating hormone. Question 14. Name of corpus luteum in case of fertilization occur after ovulation. Answer is corpus luteum verum. Another similar type of the question number 15, slightly different. You must remember this thing. Name of corpus luteum in case of fertilization does not occur after ovulation. In first question it was fertilization occur after ovulation. In question 15, fertilization does not occur after ovulation. Answer is name of corpus luteum is Corpus albicans. Question 16. Manifestation of luteal cyst. Answer: anestrus. When luteal cyst is there, animal does not show the signs of estrus. So it is a anestrus. Question 17. Name the scientist who carried out first artificial insemination in animal in India. Important question. Answer: Dr. Sampath Kumar, who carried out the first artificial insemination in animal in India. Question 18. Name the nurse cell of the testis. Answer: Sertoli cells. Question 9. Fecundity. What is fecundity? Answer: ability to produce, remember the words, number of young ones, whether the animal produces one young one, two young one, three young one, or four young one. That is called as fecundity. Fecundity is ability to produce number of young ones. Important question. Question 20. Name the test used for the diagnosis of pregnancy in male. Important question. The test is also used in the field also. Answer: Chobani test is used for the diagnosis of pregnancy in male. Question 21. Normal time taken for expulsion of placentine soap. Answer: the placenta should be expelled within 1 to 4 hours. If it takes more time to expel, the case is considered as retained placenta or retention of placenta. Important question. Question 22. Length of cylinder in artificial vagina for bulls. Important question. Answer: 30 to 40 centimeters. Question 23. Fertility. What we call as a fertility? Answer: ability to produce young one is called fertility. We have previously seen fecundity. In that we have seen ability to produce number of young ones. Here fertility means ability to produce young one. Question 24. Name hormone that stimulates spermatogenesis. Answer: follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the sperm production. Question 25. Name polystrus domestic animal. An animal shows a many stress. Answer: cat. Dear friend, share these questions for information to veterinary students and to the veterinarians who are going to appear for competitive examination for the service. Please subscribe this channel to support this channel. Next time we will come with objective questions number 2 in the gynecology. Thank you very much for observing this video.